Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you like this video. It really helps me a lot. I just want to get into the video today. Today I'm doing an unboxing of 2 BOXYCHARMs. I got my February box so late that I figured I would just wait till this month. So I have my February and my March BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription that you pay $21 for, and you get 5 full-size products every month in your box. I've had it for a couple months and I really think it's a good value for what you get. So first I'm going to do my February box first, and I have a lot of these products on my face right now as well. So the first box here is the February one, and it's called Galaxy Glow. That's the theme of it, so it's kind of like a space theme, I guess. My box is this Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighting kit, as you can see here. And at first I wasn't too excited about this because holographic is not really my style, I guess. But I used this pink shadow today as my highlight, and I've really been impressed with it. Like, I have it on my nose, on my cheekbones, on that side too, and it's so pretty. Like, it's like, because it has a bit of pink in it too, it almost works as like a highlight slash blush, and the formula is so good. It almost gives you like an airbrushed look. I've used a lot of highlights, but this one doesn't really emphasize pores that much. Like, it's super pretty. I wasn't expecting to like it so much, but I'm really happy with it. So I'll try the other colors out as well, and I think these would be pretty even as eyeshadows, just because they have that two-tone kind of look, which makes it really interesting. So I loved that, and that retails for, so this palette is $39.99 apparently. And then next is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and I have this on my eyes today. See the pinkish purplish, what I have right here is what I have on my eyes today. And I was excited for this because I love Cover FX. This is the color here. It's in the color Amethyst. Even how it looks on camera and how it actually looks, it doesn't give it justice at all. So in this here, it just kind of looks like it's pink, but it's really like a pinkish purplish color, and I have it on my lids, and it is just so pretty. I wasn't expecting to like this so much either. I thought I would because I love the Stila eyeshadows because they're shimmery too. But this color is actually so flattering for brown eyes. Like, this is so pretty. And I just did like a brown kind of smoky eye and then put it over top. Blended it out one eye at a time. It blends super well. It's super pretty. I haven't noticed any fallout or anything, so I'm really happy with that as well. So that is sold for $28, and I believe they just got this at Sephora. So I love that they're doing like brands that are really well known and new stuff that's actually coming out too. So I love that. And then, yeah, that's kind of how it looks when it dries. It looks even more pigmented. When it's wet, it looks more sheer, but I really like this. I'll be wearing it lots because even with putting a brown shadow on and then layering it like I did today, it's a more wearable way of wearing it every day. That I got is this Pure Faux Lips Plumping. So apparently, it smells good too. It's a little stick. Oh, it's quite, when you rub it on your hand, it's quite abrasive. So I haven't tried this for my lips yet, but I will, and I'll let you guys know. I love lip scrubs because my lips are super dry. My whole body's dry, but my lips are super dry in the winter too. So I'll give this a try and let you guys know. It smells kind of like vanilla-y, so that's nice. So the lip plumper sells for $17. Brush set, which is a crown brush set for $29.99, and they're really pretty. I got a crown brush, I think, in one of my other BOXYCHARMs, and it's actually a really nice brush. So I'm excited to try these. Sorry, just trying to get it out of the package. So they're so pretty. They're like pink and fluffy. It's not picking up on camera though. They're white with like a pink tip. And so this one you could use for setting powder. This one would be maybe a highlight, and this one I would use for the eyes for sure. So this thing that I got is this Smoky Eye pencil by Vintage. I used it today on my waterline and it just all ran off. Like, I have quite watery eyes. You can almost see like nothing there anymore. That's just the trouble that I have with pencil liners, and I don't really wear liners like this anyways. I just use liquid liner for my upper eye, so I'll probably give this away. I wasn't too happy with that. It retails for $21 and it just wore off really quickly on my eyes. So that's all that I got. So that's 5 things. So that's everything that I got in my box here. So overall, I'm really impressed with being retailed for well over the $21 that I spent. So I think it's a really good deal for what you get. So now let's get into what I got in my March BOXYCHARM, which is right here. So here is the card. It's Vacation is the theme of this month. So let's see what I got. So I first got this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. It says 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. So I'll have to let you guys know. I have a couple mascaras open that I have to use up first. And this retails for $20. So already the full value of the box pretty much. And then next is this Pure eyeshadow palette. The Pure BOXYCHARM palette, and it retails for $36, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's very much like spring vibes for sure. You've got some shimmers and also some nice peachy summery colors. So I think in one of my next videos I'll do a look with this palette because it's just giving me like, this makes me feel happy because it reminds me of spring. So that's great. And this is a huge palette. Like, again, you're definitely getting your money's worth with BOXYCHARM, I think. So that was $36. And then these South Main 3 eye gel packs. So it says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the area. So these are just, I think, oh yeah, they're just individually wrapped. So you can just use one at a time. So that's okay. I'm not really, like, I haven't noticed stellar results from eye patches or sheet masks that much from what I've seen, but maybe I just haven't tried the right one. So I'll try these and let you know. I do have dark circles for sure, so we'll see if that works. And these retail for $10 for 3 of them. It's nice that you get more than one though, and not just 3. So that's nice. So then I got that. And then I also received this Pretty Vulgar blush in the color Make Them Blush. I really don't like this color though. Like, it's bright, bright, bright pink. On my skin tone, it might look like a clown kind of. It's just so fluorescent. Let's swatch it and see. Oh, I guess it's not that pigmented though. So it might work because it's very soft too. And it's not actually kind of there, I guess. I'll have to try it with a really light hand and let you know. The packaging on it is beautiful, but I just don't know about the color. I saw some other people get a really nice nude cut, like a nude mauve, and I would have wished to get that. So I don't know, I'll try this and then I might give it away just because the color. That's $26 there. And then the Vintage Company Smoky Eye Makeup Set, more brushes. I love getting brushes because you can never have too many. They're always being used and have to be washed and everything. So it's nice to have a lot. Here they look tiny, but they're full size. I'll try them and let you guys know. They're really pretty. And I love getting brushes because I always use them, so that's great. And they retail for $23.15. So that's everything I got in my box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so I can see you in my next videos. And thank you so much for all your positivity on my last ones. Please comment below what you got in your boxes and which of these 2 boxes was your favorite. Tried any of these products? Do you like them? I was really surprised with the holographic stuff. Like, I really wasn't expecting to like it, and I really do. So that's something nice about these monthly boxes, is you can't really control what you get, so it forces you to try new things. So I'm excited. I used a lot of the stuff in my February box today, and I really love this look. And then I will I'll use the other stuff in an upcoming video. So just comment below what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.